Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best metal folding car phone holder is probably one of the most essential accessories for any driver today, offering a secure and convenient way to keep your smartphone accessible while navigating, streaming music, or taking hands-free calls on the road. This versatile gadget transforms your driving experience by eliminating the need to fumble with your phone, ensuring your focus remains on the road ahead, which is paramount for safety and a more enjoyable journey. Number 5. SYNCWIRE Metal Phone Ring Holder. Introducing our ultra-slim phone ring holder, crafted from high-quality zinc alloy for unmatched durability. Its advanced plating technology ensures it resists fading, and the polished edges offer a comfortable grip. Experience a secure hold with its ultra-strong 3M adhesive pad, capable of withstanding significant weight. It attaches firmly to most smooth surfaces, preventing accidental drops and slips. Find your perfect viewing angle with its 360 degrees rotatable and 180 degrees foldable design. It's built to last, withstanding thousands of folds without losing its grip. Enjoy hands-free convenience in any situation, whether commuting or relaxing at home. It frees up your hands for multitasking or entertainment. Easily position your device for optimal viewing, whether you're watching videos, making calls, or playing games. It's your perfect companion for everyday use. The integrated metal plate is designed to work seamlessly with magnetic car mounts, offering added convenience on the go. What we like. This phone ring holder boasts an ultra-slim, all-metal design for a premium feel and durability. Its strong 3M adhesive ensures it stays put, even during accidental drops. If you're looking for a sleek and reliable way to prop up your phone for hands-free viewing or a secure grip, this is a great option. What people say. The magnet is strong and holds the phone securely. It's very easy to install and adjust. Folds flat for easy storage when not in use. Number 4. LISEN Magnetic Phone Holder for Car. Experience a secure grip like never before. Our upgraded hook clip design creates 3 gripping points, ensuring it stays firmly attached to your air vent, even on bumpy rides. Say goodbye to slipping worries. Getting set up is a breeze. Thanks to its unique hook clip, you can easily attach it to your car's air vent. Simply adjust the knob to fit the socket, and you're ready to go in seconds. Rest assured, this mount is built to last. It has passed rigorous SGS certifications for magnetic force, signal integrity, stability, and safety. It's designed to hold most smartphones and mini tablets securely. This officially certified mount ensures top-notch performance. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, but please note it does not work with Magsafe or iPhone 12 to 17. A metal plate is required for optimal function. Enjoy effortless one-handed operation. With no buttons to fiddle with, simply bring your phone close, and it snaps securely into place. It's designed for ultimate convenience while you drive. For the strongest magnetic hold, ensure the metal plate is placed directly on your phone or case, not between them. This holder is best suited for square air vents. What we like. This magnetic car phone holder features an upgraded hook clip designed for a triple grip on your air vent blades, ensuring it won't slip off even on rough roads. It's incredibly easy to install with a simple knob adjustment. If you need a car mount that's exceptionally stable and simple to set up, especially for air vent mounting, this is the one for you. What people say. The phone holder is very stable and does not shake when driving. It is easy to install and adjust the angle. The holder can be folded flat for easy storage. Number 3. ANDERY Magsafe Car Phone Holder. Experience seamless 360 degrees rotation and dual-axis adjustments for the perfect viewing angle. Its innovative folding design reduces its size by half when not in use, keeping your car clutter-free. Enjoy a rock-solid hold thanks to advanced vacuum suction technology that boosts grip by 45%. It remains stable on bumpy roads and in extreme temperatures, ensuring reliable performance. With 22 high-performance magnets, it offers a magnetic hold that's 200% stronger than standard. Your device stays securely in place, even during intense driving conditions, without signal interference. The unique circular cooling design enhances airflow, preventing your phone from overheating. This ensures your device stays cool and performs smoothly, extending battery life during long drives. Designed for all Magsafe devices and compatible with non-Magsafe phones using the included ring. Installation is a breeze, taking just 1 second with one hand, and it fits securely in any car. What we like. This car phone holder offers a powerful magnetic hold for Magsafe devices, combined with exceptional suction power that can withstand extreme temperatures and bumpy roads. Its unique circular cooling design helps prevent your phone from overheating during long drives. If you prioritize a super strong magnetic connection for your Magsafe phone and want to keep it cool and stable, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The phone holder is very stable and does not shake when driving. It is easy to install and adjust, and it fits most car vents. The magnetic design holds the phone securely, even on bumpy roads. Number 2. LISEN Magsafe Car Mount. Experience unparalleled stability on any road. Our mount features advanced suction technology, ensuring it stays firmly in place even on the bumpiest journeys. It's tested for extreme durability and reattachment, guaranteeing a rock-solid hold. Enjoy a secure magnetic hold like never before. With its enhanced magnetic force, it keeps your phone firmly in place through all your drives. Drive, navigate, and take calls with confidence, knowing your device won't budge. Designed to work with a wide range of devices. It attaches directly to Magsafe compatible phones and cases, and includes an extra metal ring for universal compatibility with most other smartphones and cases. This mount is built for daily driving and the environment. Its smart cooling design prevents overheating, extending your phone's battery life. Made from durable, recyclable materials, it's a conscious choice for your car and the planet. Get set up in seconds with our easy installation. The magnetic head offers full 360 degrees rotation and 180 degrees tilt adjustment, allowing you to find the perfect viewing angle effortlessly. Switch between portrait and landscape modes with ease. Achieve the perfect viewing angle every time with its 720 degrees rotation and dual-axis adjustment. This mount adapts to your needs, whether you're navigating or enjoying hands-free entertainment. Its foldable design also keeps your car tidy. What we like. This car phone mount provides an enhanced magnetic hold with a powerful 3800 GF force and super stable suction that can hold up to 90 pounds, even on bumpy roads. It also features an eco-friendly design with smart cooling to keep your phone's battery life optimized. If you need a robust, stable, and environmentally conscious car mount that works with Magsafe devices and offers great flexibility, consider this option. What people say. It holds the phone securely and doesn't shake even on bumpy roads. The folding design makes it very compact and easy to store when not in use. The adjustable arm allows for perfect viewing angles. Number 1. SYNCWIRE Magsafe Car Mount. Installing this car mount is a breeze. Just clean the surface, press firmly, and let it set for a few hours. It stays secure, making your drive hassle-free. Crafted from high-strength materials with a sleek finish, this mount is built for durability and a modern look. It's designed to withstand various driving conditions, ensuring it lasts. Experience a strong magnetic hold thanks to its N52-grade neodymium magnets. Your phone stays securely attached, even on the bumpiest roads, for stable use. Featuring genuine 3M VHB tape, this holder offers a strong and reliable adhesive. It withstands extreme temperatures and holds firmly without issues, even with the included extra patch. It works seamlessly with Magsafe-enabled devices and cases. For other phones, the included metal ring ensures easy installation, offering universal compatibility for everyone. With its compact design and 360 degrees rotation, you can easily adjust it to your ideal viewing angle. This ensures optimal visibility for navigation or calls while you drive. Enjoy a secure and safe driving experience. It keeps your phone steady and within easy reach, allowing you to focus on the road ahead. What we like. This Magsafe car mount utilizes genuine 3M VHB adhesive for a reliable and strong hold, even in extreme temperatures, and offers an optimal magnetic balance for secure attachment. Its compact design with 360 degrees rotation allows for easy angle adjustment. If you're looking for a durable, stylish, and easy-to-use Magsafe car mount with a trustworthy adhesive, this is a solid pick. What people say. The holder is very stable and doesn't shake when driving. It's easy to install and adjust the angle. The magnetic grip is strong and holds the phone securely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.